Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the transpose of a given matrix. So suppose there is a matrix whose element are A, I, J, where I is the row and J is the column. Then we can get the transpose of this matrix by interchanging row and column. So we can just write it as AJI. Then we will get the transpose of that matrix. Now, one thing we have to just keep in mind that transpose is valid for any matrix. It is not necessary that matrix should be a square matrix. So let's assume a matrix of order 2 by 3. So we can write this as 2, 3, minus 2, and here we can write this as 5, 1 and 0. So this is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. So let's name it A matrix. So to find the transpose of this matrix, what we need to do? We need to just convert this row into column. So we can write this first row as first column. So 2, 3, minus 2, this is first column, and this second row as second column. So we can write this as 5, 1, 0, and the order of this matrix is, we can write, so here 3 row and 2 column. So we can write this as 3 cross 2. So the order is interchange. So if A is matrix of order m cross n, then we can write the transpose of A, and that order will be n cross n. So row and column are interchanged. So row will be interchanged with the column of all the rows will be interchanged with all the columns of the given matrix. That's how we will get the transpose of any matrix. So if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and do mention your doubts in the comment box below. I have also made a calculator to find the transpose of the given matrix, and you can use that. I will put down the link of that calculator in the description box. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.